Beauty, where are you guys at?
We're at the top of a 1,000-year-old church.
And how long did it take you to get up here?
5 or 6
5 minutes.
A lot of steps, right?
Yeah.
It was worth it.
If I can do the Sagrada Familia, then I can do this.
It was a lot of steps, but we made it all the way to the top.
That wasn't hard.
Take a look. Take a look around the city.
What is this church even called?
No, this is just a tower. I guess this belt right here is really old. From the looks of it, I don't think it's being used anymore. I could be wrong. I'm just kind of saying, look down. This is how we got down. I'll show you guys the steps when it's time to go down to the pick up this right here. Around the city. That's the church. You guys can see ahead. It's 1,000 years old. We were just there a little while ago. Okay. We're gonna venture down the stairs once again. You guys ready to go down? Really?
Yes.
Steady? Ready?
Yeah.
Be careful going down, okay?